practice test, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I want to share that our co-coordinator sir, Professor Dr. Haris Mittu sir, whatever we are practicing, that is, excellent mock test type of thing for your upcoming test, which is going to be held on 27th, 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Right. So you will
Now,
practice
second one.
more.
Second
Second one,
questions.
this is practice state for you people, so that you people will score more.
I hope this is visible again.
Yes, visible, sir.
So fast.
After I'm requesting my fellow participants, after completion of this test, you will just write I have done or yes I have done, like that.
Till now, only 2 participated.
2 participated only.
Yes, 3 now out of 126.
Okay.
So fast.
I do fast so that we will start the session sharply. We have maximum one more minute's time. Done, sir. Sandeepan Sinha is writing yes. Done.
I also got the message, sir. Only 12, now 13, 14, 15.
Yes, requesting all, please participate. This is good for you. Excellent job for you. Why? Our intention is that you people will got the certificate of by the Ministry of Education, Government of India, with outstanding performance. Okay.
1 minute left. So fast.
And our second expert, Professor Dr. Mithilesh Dubey is trying to be ready with the presentation. Done. Number of participants are done. How much done, sir?
47, 50.
Oh, but here is 130.
Total is 126 participants.
Yes, 126 participants. Yes.
30 seconds only now. Last 30 seconds.
Timer is also now.
Yes. So last 25 seconds.
Do fast, my dear participants. Do fast. 30 seconds are left only.
Now 20 seconds.
20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Now only 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over, sir?
Only 68. Yes, 78 emptied.
Okay, done, sir. Done.
Result will be here.
So result is already available. I am requesting again, my dear fellow participants, fellow professionals, please write down the answer also, or take the screenshot. All this recording is also available. Okay, so
now my
can
request,
we proceed, Professor?
Yes.
Harish sir, can we proceed for the second session?
Yes, sir. Only I want to request the participants that those who wants to on their camera raise their hand, so that we'll took the group photograph with our next resource person now only.
Fine? Okay, now only. Okay. So I am requesting Professor Dr. Mithilesh Dubey ji.
Sir, I just wanted to ask, like, how do we know that your answers are correct or wrong or...
Ma'am, I share the result at the end after attempting, submitting. Then there is again screen is visible with the right answers. When I display the result, you have to check the screen again. That screen is visible to you. Because one participant mentioned that 4 out of 5. That now 174. He or she mentioned that he or she got 4 correct answer out of 5, because the answer sheet is visible to you when I share the result on the screen itself.
Yes. Kelvin Shah is writing here to everyone. 5 by 5 is correct. Shahbaz Qadri ji.
Actually, when I answer the question, the screen is not changed. Actually, submitted, done.
Don't
But
worry, Dr. Yogita ji, don't worry. I know you are very intelligent. You will do very good score.
If the
Okay?
time permits, I'll do this
Uh,
exercise with new
we will do.
practice question at the
Yes.
end, and
so
Yes.
whoever
you will
got
check
nine,
it that.
5 out of 5, please share their screen. I mean
No, no,
answers.
this is with everyone. I will, if time permits, toward the end, I will go for another practice test, and then you will check it. Fine.
Okay,
Right,
fine.
sir. Right.
Thank
And
you.
now
So
please raise your hands, those who wants that they want to
yes.
on their camera, so
Meanwhile,
that we will help
requesting
them out.
Professor Dr. Mithilesh ji, kindly stop the sharing, sir. Mithilesh, sir. Ah. And switch on your camera, sir. Switch on your camera. Professor Dr. Mithilesh ji. Sir is in panelist list, na, sir? Yes. Okay,
Yes, sir, he is in
so
the panel. He is in the panel.
yeah, right.
Yes, Dubey sir, please on your camera.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Professor Dr. Mithilesh Dubey
Hello.
ji. Yes. Good
Good
evening, sir.
afternoon.
Welcome,
Good
ji.
evening. Good evening to all. Good evening. Good evening to all. Good evening to all.
Okay. So photo session is going on. Our technical team is taking photograph of our expert for second session, and our fellow participants, requesting all brother and sisters of our fellow participants, please switch on your camera so that we can take the handsome and beautiful photograph of our participants with our expert for ongoing session, Professor Dr. Mithilesh Kumar Dubey ji. Please give the green signal. Our FDP team, Professor Dr. Harish Mittu Sahab,
Yes, sir.
if the photo session is over, can we start now?
Yes, yes, you start, sir. You start. You proceed with your proceeding. They will on their
Okay.
camera and we will took the pictures. Okay.
Right, right, right. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, yes, thank you. So now we are going to start our eighth session of this FDP, day 4, session 8, right? So once again, very good evening to all my fellow participants, our expert, as the coordinator with our team, Professor Dr. Harish Mittoji, Rahulji, of this particular FDP, ATAL FDP. It is our privilege to welcome you again for the session 8 scheduled right now. We are honored to have with us Professor Dr. Mithilesh Kumar Dubey, a distinguished professor at lovely Professional University, Fagwara, Punjab. With his deep expertise in emerging technologies, he has been the forefront of research and innovation in the field of Internet of Things, I mean IoT and sensor networks. This evening, he will be speaking on IoT and sensor networks for smart innovation. At a time when our cities face mounting challenges of congestion, pollution, safety, technology offers us powerful tools to rethink the way we move. IoT and intelligent sensor systems are not just about data and services. They are about designing transportation system that is much more efficient, sustainable, and centered on human well-being. This session is visionary because it bridges technology with humanity. Try to connect how we can take as a human, take the technological advancement in this particular system. It reminds us that a smart transportation is not merely about faster movement, but about safe roads. When our roads are safe, we save our life safe. Cleaner environments are also very important for this particular purpose. And how we can apply the technology for inclusive mobility in the city and for the transportation system. With IoT driven insights, we can dream of cities where every journey is predictable, every crossing is safe, and every citizen, every people, resident enjoy the dignity of accessible transport. I warmly welcome, on the behalf of lovely School of Architecture and Design, lovely professional university, Professor Dr. Mithlesh Kumar Dubey to this FDP, and inviting all my fellow participants to immerse themselves in this dialogue of technology and transportation, and to carry forward the vision of building a smart, more sustainable, and human transportation systems for the future. So, this word, welcome once again, Professor Dr. Mithlesh Dubeji, and over to you, sir. Mithlesh.
First of all, okay, sir. Good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. My voice is audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Clearly audible?
हाँ जी audible जी.
Okay, okay. So, Dr. Nagendra sir, you have very well explained about myself. Thank you so much for inviting me this prestigious ATAL FDP innovation. I'm very thankful to Dr. Harish Mittu sir also, and I'm very thankful to Government of India who have given this wonderful opportunity to speak something about IoT, Internet of Things. Nowadays, everybody is facing some problem. Everybody is facing some problem related to with the transportation, the smart transportation, and how they are going to be tackle that particular problem. This is the biggest challenge. Surinder sir was, I have also earlier joined this particular meeting. At that particular meeting, I was realized about the smart transportation. There are so many challenges. And I'm literally surprised that the people are going to be talk about how to solve the problem. There are so many problems nowadays they are going to be occur. Surinder Vaga sir was talking about the problem in the Chandigarh, how the city is going to be smart, how the transportation is going to be smart, how we can solve the daily life routine problems we are facing in the transportations. So first of all, there are 150 participants over here almost. I have one question to all the participants. You want to become a problem solver or a problem preventers? Tell me what the India is going to be, because I'm in the Smart India Hackathon. We are going to be preparing and our team for solving the societal issues. So this one is also one of the problem which is related with the society. So what you want? You want to become a problem solver or a problem preventer? This is my first question. And second thing, one of the statement in the when we are in the childhood and we are going to be listening every day, necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of inventions. But sometimes nowadays invention becomes the mother of necessity. Invention becomes the mother of necessity. Our requirement is that transportation is going to be smart. We are going to be apply some hook and crook anyway. We are not going to be suffer any problem related to this technological words in technical era actually. So necessity is what? The invention becomes the necessity. Everybody have to be do some invention in every field, because nowadays the people are going to be involved over here from the technical background, from the architects, from the planning, from uh, building materials. They everybody are going to be try to solve their problem, but they are not going to be think about, okay, why this problem is going to be occur. They are going to become a preventer. So India needs to become a preventer, not a problem solver. How we are going to be prevent the causes? How we are going to be prevent our problems, which is not going to be occur in the future? So we have to think about it. I'm talking about Israel. Israel is one of the small country nowadays, but he is going to be work on the billion trillions of, he is investing billion and trillions of money on the research and development nowadays. So India, how much India is going to be investing on research and development? Nobody can know. So today's my discussion is going to be talk about IoT. I'm going to be share my screen. If my screen is visible, so kindly let me know, please. Yes, my screen is visible to all?
Yes, yes. No,
Yes, it is
share
visible.
again, sir. Share it again.
Okay.
Just click the share option.
Now it is.
Coming. That is coming. Ah, yeah. Just go on slide mode. Slide mode, sir. Slideshow mode.
Yes, it is in slide mode.
No, no.
Now
Just
it
click
is.
up now. Slideshow.
Yes. Now it is.
Not coming. Slide is coming, but not in the slide mode. Slideshow mode.
Just a minute. Now it's there. It's
No, sir.
visible.
Not visible.
Sir, we have we have to wait for a few seconds so that it will be visible because I think it took little time.
Yes, yes, maybe.
It is now visible. I think so. It is visible now.
No, sir, still no. We are waiting for that.
Now it is.
Not visible.
Now it's possible. Just a minute.
मेरे को
It
दो
is visible now.
participant है. Yes, sir. Now slide is visible, but it is in simple. We have to switch to slide that presentation mode. Slides are
I have
visible.
already switched.
Yes, we have to wait then because it may be due to some network. So we have to wait.
Mhm. Okay. It is visible now.
Still not, sir. Still not.
The problem is. So we can start from here like that, if it is possible.
Yes, yes, we can because otherwise it will wastage of time.
Yes, 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 yes. So this slide is visible now. This is not in presentable mode, I think so. Why
Yes,
it is
slide is
like that?
visible.
Just a minute. I'm going to try once again.
ये हैंड रेज कहाँ कर रहे हैं ये नहीं पता चल रहा.
Now,
Slide is visible, but we got a message that double click in order to go for that full screen mode.
okay.
सर ये फॉर्मेट जहां आप क्लिक कर रहे हैं ना, हेलो मिथिलेश जी,
Yes, 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 yes.
जहां आप फॉर्मेट
Actually,
पे
I'm
क्लिक कर रहे हैं ना, जस्ट ऑन टॉप ना स्लाइड, सो यू विल जस्ट क्लिक सर. Here on the top, slide, yes, slide show. Next,
this one.
yes, first, from first slide, come down.
Yes, it is first slide.
No, so you will click now on first. Here,
I have already.
right, sir, right.
Extreme, yes, left, 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 left. Extreme
This
left.
side.
Other side, sir.
Only,
Other side, sir. Move to the left, below the file option. Below the file
ना
option.
अपोजिट में जाइए, अपोजिट में सबसे किनारे. From beginning, yes, click sir.
No, it is not working.
आ जाएगा सर कुछ देर में.
Why it is problem creating? I don't know. It is there.
चलिए, you will go sir,
नहीं.
go ahead.
That's why I'm
नीचे भी
saying
ऑप्शन
कि
आता है ना
something is
सर,
there.
आप इसको क्लिक कीजिए, जस्ट बाजू वाला को क्लिक कीजिए. No, मिथिलेश सर, no.
So try to press F5. Try to press Shift F5.
Now,
हाँ सर, ये
No, no.
इसको क्लिक कीजिए
That
ना
will.
सर, जहां पे बढ़ा रहे हैं ना सबसे किनारे वाला, इसको कीजिए.
इससे ना सर
जहां
कट
आप
रही है
सबसे
आपकी स्लाइड. आप परसेंटेज बढ़ा रहे हो ना, स्लाइड कट रही है आपकी.
yes, 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 yes.
नो.
No, it is not like that. No problem. I have to start it. Okay, no problem. It is. So,
ये टॉप पे ऑप्शन
कमिंग
देखिए
सर,
जो फाइल और एरो के
कमिंग
साथ
सर.
ऊपर टॉप.
something is there. Now it is there.
नो
How it is problem? What the problem is creating actually?
सर यू ट्राइड F5.
F5 I have already pressed. No problem. This is in
अभी ना इसके
from my
टॉप पे,
side. It's going to be.
हाँ इसके टॉप पे ऑप्शन देखना, सबसे ऊपर जहाँ सेव का ऑप्शन है, फिर उसके ऊपर होम और इंसर्ट के ऊपर कोई ऑप्शन आ रहा है, ऐसे लग रहा है छोटा सा आइकन.
Now it is there. Actually, just a minute.
Jayesh mentioned that try to
Yes,
click
is there?
slideshow option in front of insert option.
Yes. I'm doing like that here from beginning here. It is not working actually.
राइट साइड बॉटम यू ट्राइड सर? आपकी
Yes,
स्लाइड के
yes,
नीचे
yes,
भी एक ऑप्शन है ना, वहां से भी ट्राई कर लिया, जहां से
yes.
परसेंटेज
This
ज्यादा
one
कम
is.
होती है वहां से.
Yes, Nagendra sir.
हेलो हेलो सर.
यस
सर एक ऑप्शन
यस
दो
मैम.
आपको. आप एक पीडीएफ सेव एज करके लो लो फाइल, और उसको एज अ फुल स्क्रीन करके दिखा दो हमको, अगर पीपीटी स्लाइड शो नहीं हो रहा है तो.
थैंक यू मैम, दे विल ट्राई.
यस सर.
ये बंदा ना जो भी दे रहा है ना प्रेजेंटेशन, ये अपने आप को बहुत समझता है कि मैं बहुत ये बड़ा हूँ, ये बड़ा हूँ. और आज और है कंप्यूटर है, खुद कंप्यूटर का प्रोफेसर है, और आज इसी के फंडामेंटल.
Sir, it is visible. नहीं. Yes, it is visible. नहीं, वो तो हो ही रहा है. Now it is visible, sir. Hello. Now it is visible. It is visible. Done. Okay. Thank you. So first of all, I'm going to be start. Mittu sir, it is visible. Slide is fully screen mode. It is visible.
Sir, slide is visible, but that is not in slideshow mode. That only slide is visible. So continue, sir, with this.
That is,
Yes.
that is already visible. Now slide is visible already, but it is not in the presentable mode. That's why I'm worried about it.
इधर आ, इधर आ, इधर आ, इधर आ. हाँ दसी इधर
Okay.
आ स्पीकर मेरी गल सुन. आ स्पीकर लगा है सी,
Okay.
स्पीकर लगे
Sir,
है सी ना,
kindly mute
जो
yourself.
स्पीकर लगे ना मेरी आवाज नहीं जाती उधर.
Mute,
आ देख
mute,
इतने आ बाइक.
Mittu sir, can you mute yourself? Mittu sir, can you mute yourself? Okay. So I'm going to be talk about first of all IoT, right? Internet of Things. What are the meaning of things?
ਹੁਣ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਵੀ ਸੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆ ਟਾਈਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ.
In simple terms, IoT is about connectivity, everyday physical objects. So what are the physical objects? Nowadays, in our daily life, the physical objects are your home appliances, your vehicles, your wearable objects, or things. That is comes into the things. You are wearing the mobile, you are wearing the watch, smart watch, you are wearing some fitness app, you are wearing some smart fitness app actually, and connect with the internet. That is comes in the, that is called internet of things actually. The things are object that is comes into the category of internet of things. So nowadays, every day in daily life, we are going to be connect with our objects. So can we send some data, because every object is communicating with other objects, and every object is sending some data, right? And those data is going to be very important in our daily life. We are going to be capture those data from the sensors, right? Because the sensor is the real-time unit which is going to be capturing the data and sending over the cloud. So here, one of the problem we are going to be face in the smart transportation, because nowadays everybody is going to be facing this particular problem. What is accidental issues? What is the accident? I'm going to be asked a few questions over here. Do we really need smart roads? What about the rider safety? If you are going to be talk about 2024, there were estimated 1,80,000 deaths from the road accidents in India. If you are going to be talk about the WHO or World Health Organization, so they are going to be given this kind of data. 1.35 million people die each year as a result of road traffic accidents. So just think about it. How the AI and artificial intelligence and IoT is going to be solve this kind of problem. Because nowadays AI driven traffic management is going to be optimizing the traffic lights, reducing jams by 50% and increasing the speeds by 11% nowadays. If I'm going to be share some statistics, if you are going to be see the statistics so of the cities over here, so highest number of accident in India, if we are going to be talk about number of accidents and number of fatalities is going to be happen. So number of accident in happen is the Mumbai due to the road accident. There are so many causes of the road accidents. We are going to be talk about. If you are going to be talk about the fatalities, right? So Mumbai is also one of the top most cities in India. Next one is the Indore. Second, next one is the Bhopal, and next one is the Jabalpur and Kochi. Right? So number of accident is going to be increasing day by day. Number of fatalities is going to be increasing day by day. Some, what are the causes? Just think about it. Next one is cities with the lowest number of accident. Which cities will have lowest number of accident which is going to be happening? So Jodhpur is the lowest number of accident and fatalities is going to be happening. Next one is the Ludhiana, and next one is Asansol, Durgapur, and list one is Varanasi and Dhanbad. These are the statistics which is going to be shared from all over the India over here, right? And what are the fatalities is Ludhiana, Jodhpur, Asansol, Dhanbad. Ludhiana is number of fatalities is going to be happening. Lowest number of fatalities is going to be happening. So ask me, tell me what are the causes behind it. So these are the causes because of it. Road accident, so over speeding is one of the cause. Nowadays, everybody is going to be drunk in driving case. Distracted driving, this is also one of the cause. Non-use of gear actually, fatigue and lack of skill. So these are the main causes of the road accident actually nowadays. So how we are going to be, and next one issues with this particular infrastructure. We are going to be talk about the infrastructure and environmental factors. So poor road infrastructure, poor road condition is one of the biggest drawback of road accidents. How we are going to be solved? So Surinder sir and TG Karki sir, they have already explained about all these things, how they are going to be work on that particular poor infrastructure, poor road infrastructure, how they are going to be uh, prepare all these things. Nowadays, if you are going to be facing about all those ditch problem, there are big ditch in the road actually. Everywhere the condition is not well actually. That's why Nitin Gadkari is going to be work on that particular conditions. They are going to be increase the road condition actually, right? Second one is overloaded vehicles. Loss of the control is likely to happen every day. Overloaded trucks, overloaded buses, overloaded, overloaded bus and vehicles. They are going to be controlled there. Loss of control is going to be happening, right? Next, one is the causes of the infrastructure. Next one, the causes of the infrastructure is stray animals, landslides. So natural disaster is going to be happen. natural triggers is going to be happen that particular. And last one, but least one, that is the second last, adverse weather condition. The foggy weather, the people are going to be driving their cars, driving their buses. This is also one of the biggest challenges. Reduced visibility increases the road accident actually, right? Faulty vehicle maintenance, they are not going to be take care about their vehicles, their cars, their motorcycles. They are going to be run like anything. So vehicle defects increase accident risk also. So these are the causes of road accidents. How we are going to be solve that particular causes? So I'm going to be solve. Road safety is also one of the challenge because lack of awareness. The people are going to be driving their vehicles. They don't know how to drive the vehicles, and whatever the transportation system, they are going to be pass their driving license. They are going to be pass each and everything without testing, proper testing. They are not going to be passed, right? So inadequate enforcement is also one of the biggest issue. So road safety challenge is also biggest issue actually nowadays, which is occurred in the transportation system. So we are going to be solve these issues with the help of IoT, Internet of Technologies. So when we are going to be talk about the Internet of Technology, so the people is going to be talk smart, right? What is the meaning of a smart? A smart means which is going to be proper connecting with the things, intelligence, which is connecting with the technology. We are going to be providing the instant solution that is comes into the smart. When we are going to be apply IoT with any things, any objects, that object is going to be smart. If you are going to be apply IoT with the watch is going to be smart. That is a smart watch. If you are going to be apply IoT with the city, so that city is going to be smart, a smart city. If you are going to be apply IoT with sensors and AI with the home, the home is going to be smart. If you are going to be apply IoT and AI with the transport, that is known as smart transport. When we are going to be apply IoT and AI with the retail, that is retail IoT. If you are going to be apply IoT and AI with the smart agriculture, that is smart farming. If you are going to be apply IoT and AI technology with the factories, that is known as smart factories concepts, smart grid concept, and if you are going to be monitor your health conditions with the IoT, that is comes into the smart e-health care system. That is health monitoring devices is available nowadays. So these are the overview of IoT technology, right? If you have any questions, you can ask with meanwhile. So we have to be move forward about the architecture of the Internet of Things. So this architecture is going to be consist of, there are 7 layers of architecture of Internet of Things. So first initial layer is known as thing layer. Thing means I have already talked about thing is comes into the objects, devices, sensors, controllers comes into the things layer. Second layer is connectivity, that is its computing layer. Communications, protocols, networks, right? Wi-Fi, telecom, hardware kits, that is comes into the connectivity layer. That is each computing layer. And these layers are comes when we are going to be connecting with the layer 2 with the layer 1. That is comes into the fog layer. This one is known as a fog layer actually. This one is known as fog layer. So layer 1 and layer 2 is going to be combined when we are going to be combine devices with the communication network, that is comes into the fog layer. And third one, when we are going to be receive the data, we are going to be stored somewhere. So when we are going to be store the data, that is some cloud is required, because nowadays cloud is become a very vast area, where big area where we can store our data and information. That is going to be safest one, right? So cloud infrastructure is going to be categorized in three categories: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid and managed cloud, right? So this one is the cloud computing. Fifth one, that is fourth one, is known as data injection layer. Data injection layer, where we are going to be talk about the big data concepts. What are the what is the big data? The data which have large size, large volume, that is comes into the category of big data. Nowadays, if the sensor is going to be generate the data from everywhere, we are going to be collect the data, and that data is known as the big data. What is the minimum size of the big data? Actually, the minimum size of the data is known as what is minimum 3 GB. We are going to be store that particular data from the sensor devices. We are going to be harvest the data. We are going to be process the data and generating the insights from those data and generating insight from those information. After that, then we are going to be analyzing the data. After generating the data, we are going to be analyzing what is the pros and cons of that particular data, because the data is going to become the blood of human being everywhere. If you have a data, if you have information, so you have a value, you have a value in the market. If you don't have in data and don't have information, nobody is going to be take care about yourself. Next one is, that is layer 6 and layer 7, the application and people and process. So application layer is going to be talk about the mobile apps, website through which you are going to be access that particular information, which is going to be provided by these sensors. So working process is going to be from bottom to top, and when you are going to be accessing the data from top to bottom, right? So layer 7 is going to be talk about the people and process. If the people is aware about the technology, 100% process is going to be implemented. If the people is not aware about the technology, the process is not going to be implemented. So talk on the process and people, because both the things are very important in our life. So transformational decision is going to be based on the process, and the people is know people should know about the process. If the people they don't know about the process, they are going to be faulty. They are they are going to be misleading the information. They are not going to be judgmental. They are not going to be give a correct decisions. So things and apps are very important, and they have to be aware about how they are going to be implement all these things. So people, process, application, data analysis, data injections, right? And global infrastructure, connectivity, and edge computing things. These are comes into the 7-layer architecture of the Internet of Things. If you have any questions, so you can ask me meanwhile, please. Or we have to be proceed for next slide. So this is the component of our IoT. First one is sensor. We are going to be talk about the first layer, that is the sensor layer, that is things. We are going to be connect with the devices. The sensor is going to be collecting the data and give to the networks. Network bole to, where we are going to be connecting with the Wi-Fi. From the Wi-Fi, we are going to be receive our data over the cloud. We are going to be analyze our data with the help of some analytical tools. So there are so many analytical tools are available nowadays, right? SPSS, Chat, Jupyter Notebook, Python, right? Python is also one of the Jupyter Notebook. R Studio is also one of the book. And few people are going to be use Excel, advanced Excel. They are going to be use AI with the Excel. They are going to be analyze the data, right? So we are going to be analyze the data, draw some insights in the form of graph and charts, and we are going to be fetch those informations over user interface, over the software. So the people is going to be grab that particular information, and they are going to be act like that. So user information, it could be your website, it could be your mobile application, it could be your mobile apps also, right? So these things are going to be connecting. This is the IoT components. So if you are going to be implement in the smart transportations, what are the components is required? Sensor is required, network is required, analytics is required, user interface is going to be required. On the basis of these four things, we are going to be provide the IoT enabled transportation system. These sensors you can inbuilt in your different kind of vehicles. So the IoT, because IoT is going to be talk about the sensor, the things. So this is the object. What is the car is an object, right? And we can implement so many sensors for different purpose. If we are going to be checking the pressure, air pressure of the tire, vehicle tire, so you are going to be use the pressure sensor. The pressure sensor is going to be talk about the air pressure inside the tire. Second one, if you are going to be use your vehicle in the foggy weather or rainy conditions, so infrared sensor is going to be used for that, right? And where we have to be place the infrared sensor, it is already going to be located in this particular image. So you can place your infrared sensor. Sensor is also going to be used for that particular. Microphone sensor is also going to be used for listening some voice or some horn, which is going to be. Video camera is also going to be placed. This video camera sensor, this is the camera comes into with the sensor enabled. So you can place the camera, sensor enabled camera inside your car, right? GPS, global positioning system is also going to be placed with your vehicles. AC sensor is also going to be connected with that particular things. Rear camera, that is nowadays every vehicle comes with that. If you are going to be talk about the Audi car and their high speed car, this is comes with the so many facilities with the sensing capabilities. So rear camera, front end camera, left, right, each and everything is going to be visible in your screen, touch screens, right? Fuel sensor is also going to be talk about how much fuel is going to be run in your car. As per your fuel, you are going to be drive your car, right? So these are the sensor which is going to be enabled inside your car. It could be, and if we are going to be enable these kind of things in your car, definitely each and everything is going to be preventive. Ultrasonic sensor is going to be used for that. Exhaust gas sensor, every gas, everything is going to be related. Each and every sensor is comes into the market. You can use that particular sensor for different purposes, right? And these sensors are not so costly. They are not costly. They are very cheap, right? And you can also buy that particular sensor. If you know how to fit that, you can fit in your engine, you can fit in your car, right? So here I'm going to be say different types of road sensors are available over here. Radar sensor. So nowadays radar sensor is going to be work. What kind of radar is going to be happen, how and why this radar sensor is going to be talk about. So radar sensor is going to be look the long from the long way, it is going to become your vehicle, and it is going to be take your data from the radar actually. Camera sensor is going to be monitor your car, which car is going to be with the high speed. That's why on the basis of that camera sensor, the police cops from any state are then going to be cut your challan, right? Laser beam sensor, there they are. If you are going to be laser beam sensor is available and the roadside. So this sensor is going to be actually find out which vehicle is going to be break the signals. So laser beam sensor is going to be identify with the number plate of that particular car. Automatically challan is going to be credited in the driver's account or car owner's accounts. So these radar sensors, camera sensors, laser beam sensor is going to be work in the IoT for the road safety point of view. So if you are going to be drive your car in a high speed, radar sensor is going to be notify you. If your camera sensor is going to be notify you, laser beam sensor is going to be notified, because these sensors comes with the different capacity and capabilities, right? So these are the different types of sensors you can place in the transportation system while you are constructing your routes, while you are designing your route. So keep in mind. I'm going to be talk about the Internet of Things, environmental monitoring. Here, the waste management. Here, this is the waste, because now environment is also playing a very important role about the accident prone area. So if your foggy weather, rainy condition is too much pollution is available. So this one is also one of the become cause for Internet of Things actually. So waste management, vehicle tracking system, air and water pollution is also extreme weather condition is also going to be happening actually. So these are the things which is going to be available nowadays. You can you can use the IoT and you can solve your problem, right? So next one is here. What are the application of IoT in the transportation industries? So IoT is going to be used in the self-driving car, augmented reality, that is autonomous vehicle. No driver is required because the car is going to be uh, take you and give you safest ride, right? It is going to be automated with the AI and Internet of Things. With the sensor is fully connected with the AI, and the sensor is going to be drop your designated locations where you want to go actually, and from where they are going to be pick also. So pick and drop facility is also available in this particular self-driving cars. Smart and connected buses nowadays, smart and connected buses comes in with the, if you are going to be talk about Ahmedabad, if you are going to be talk about Pune, these cities are going to be used smart and connected buses. Each and every driver is connected with the smart app, which bus comes at what point and what location and at what time, right? Smart and connected streets are also there. Here in India, I don't find this kind of thing. Smart and connected streets are available, but in the future, I hope so. If you are going to be increase the usage of IoT, increase the usage of the AI, definitely smart and connected streets are going to be happen. A smart traffic light is available in the Ahmedabad and Pune cities nowadays. A smart mobility, right? IoT and AI concept is also available. A smart delivery system. Amazon have launched that particular things with this IoT and AI. They are going to be deliver their packages, and they are going to be deliver their luggage with the help of some drones. A smart delivery system. Smart trains and trams is available. Surendra sir have already talked about the smart trains and trams is also available. Content distribution, we are going to be talk about the content distribution also, right? So these are the applications of IoT in the transportation industry. Actually. With the help of AI, with the help of IoT, we are going to be change our transportation industry, right? Next one is, what are the current trends in the railway industry? Because the railway is also one of the area where the transportation is going to be maximum railway is going to be connected with the transportation industry. So railway is also one of the issue because the trains are not comes on the time actually. If you are going to be talk about, so you are going to be maintain these things. If you are going to be talk about the Vande Bharat, right? Tejas, right? Uh, so these are the some trains which is comes on the line, but in the foggy weather, in the rainy conditions, they are going to be getting late 10 to 15 minutes. Why? If you are going to be talk about the Indian railways, 50%, 50 per, almost 80 to 90% trains are available late. They are comes late. So we are going, if you are going to be enable IoT in the railway industry, if you are going to be available AI in the railway, right? So the trains are then going to be comes on the time. They are going to be minimize uh, delay time of the trains. They are going to be uh, control the trafficking of the trains also, right? Metro, because they are going to be used on board servers, and these servers you can place your sensor on the track. You can visualize the trains also with the help of GPS. You can monitor the location of the train also nowadays, right? Where is your train? These kind of apps are available with the help of GPS. So these trains are available, and these sensors are these AI tools, these mobile applications are they are going to be used in the railway industry nowadays. And all these data is going to be gathered from the sensors, IoT, Internet of Things actually, right? And these data is going to be stored on the data centers. So you can connect that particular data, and you can track that particular things, okay? And you can uses these kind of resources to increase the transportation system. Here we are going to be talk about discover smart roads. So IoT technology is transforming highways. In the If you are going to be talk about the Pune highway, so here the charging coil is also available for electronic vehicles, right? The EV vehicles are comes with the charging coil, and these at the roadside charging coils is available, and these charging coils is comes with the fiber optics, and these fiber optics optical cable is going to be give the electricity to the electronic vehicles. Roadside sensor is also available, which is going to be monitor your vehicles, right? So, and these things are going to be monitored with this particular TV screen, and you can you can find your vehicle locations at any time, right? So IoT enabled smart road technologies also comes. This is with the help of these things, we are also going to be transforming our highways, right? And next one is going to be talk about here the IoT based architecture of smart trafficking management system for multiple metropolitan cities. So what are the cities are available here? Smart trafficking management. So we are going to be connect with the buses, with the cars, with the our road traffic light, each and everything. We are going to be connect with the sensors, IoT, and they are going to be send our data over some cloud, and from the cloud we are going to be designing our dashboard through which we are going to be pass our data to the mobile users. Mobile users means who are the mobile users? You are the mobile users. I am also the mobile user. We are going to be track each and everything from our mobile. That's why we are known as a mobile user, right? So these things, how the technology, you can see that how the technology is going to be very effective in transforming our life actually. Okay. So what are the unveiling IoT's impact in transportation? So connected vehicles, that is IoT enhances the vehicle connectivity for safer, smarter driving, right? If you are going to be talk about intelligent traffic management, so IoT is also, yes, we can say that IoT is also going to be managing the intelligent traffic management, because with the help of AI algorithms, IoT is going to be optimizing the traffic flow, reducing the congestions, and reducing the delays with the help of sensors, right? If each and everything is going to be smart, if your road condition is going to be smart, if your road construction is going to be proper, good conditions, so you can place your sensors in a better way, right? Intelligent trafficking, you can apply your algorithm also, right? You can enhance public transit also. IoT improves the public transit efficiency and passengers experiences also, it is going to be happen. Optimized logistic, right? Nowadays if you are going to book your logistic, you are going to book your luggage, so IoT streamlines logistics and enhancing supply chain management. Nowadays they are going to be used this kind of AI algorithm, so which they are going to be optimizing the route, which one is the shortest path here, route, which one is the shortest route. They are going to be use that particular things, find that particular route, and they are going to be send their buses, they are going to be send their luggage with that particular routes, right? So this is basically optimizing logistic IoT, right? In the with the help of AI and machine learning. So here in the first question we have talked about, we are going to be uh, improve the road conditions, but what about the rider safety? So IoT is also going to be providing the rider safeties. How? In the transportation transformation. So it is going to be enhancing the efficiency, security, sustainability for the real-time data analysis, right? It is going to be, if suppose that some incidents will be happen, immediately the sensor is going to be notified to the cloud. The cloud is going to be sent some insights to the mobile user who is connected with that particular vehicle. The vehicle owner is going to be immediately sent some help, because nowadays the people is not going to be survive because of help at that time, right? So that's why the sensor is playing a very important role for providing the real-time data analysis. This is going to be enhances safety and measurements for the riders, for the vehicles, right? Sustainability, we are going to be use eco-friendly solutions to reduce environmental impact. That is the biggest challenge about the sustainability, right? Here, the most of the already most of the panel members are going to be talk about the sustainability. They are sustainable material. They are going to be used in the constructions of the roads. They are construction of the vehicles, right? So sustainability is also one of the biggest challenge. So you have to be used sustainable material, sustainable uh, IoT, sustainable things, objects for constructing that particular transportation. Enhance efficiency. If you are going to be used first and two things, then it is going to be enhance the uh, efficiency of your transportation. Okay. Now next, what are the key application of IoT in smart transportation? So what are the, these are the key applications, whatever I have already discussed: enhanced safety, improved efficiency, and autonomous driving. Autonomous driving, that is self-driving car, right? Autonomous navigation system is going to be enabled in your car by the data of sharing and connectivity. You are going to be use that particular key. These are the key applications of IoT in smart transportation. So this is the future mobility of the smart transportations nowadays. So IoT enhances in smart transportation. How it is? So V2I communication. So V2I is a medium through which we are going to be provides real-time road and traffic information to the drivers, right? V2V, that is vehicle to vehicle communication, enables vehicles to exchange data and safety efficiency to the drivers or their owners, right? Third one is cooperative adaptive cruise control system. Now, nowadays, every vehicle system, every Mahindra, if you are going to be talk about the Audi, if you are going to be talk about Fortuner, they are going to be use cruise control system, optimizing their traffic flow and fuel consumptions also. So cruise control system is also going to be enabled in each and every car nowadays, through which you are going to be used and fuel consumptions, optimizing your fuel consumptions, right? And the fourth one is autonomous driving. Autonomous driving is going to be also work in the navigation system. Without human intervention, you can drive your car in auto 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 drive mode, right? So that is called basically. And how these things are going to be managed with the smart traffic management. So there are some gadgets are available, and these gadgets are available in the real-time monitoring systems. IoT sensors monitor traffic volume. What is the volume of the traffic? What is the speed of the traffic? And what are the density of the traffic? With the help of real-time monitoring, you can monitor all these things. Incident detections, IoT sensors and cameras detect incident and alert services. right? And adaptive control, traffic signal adjusts dynamically to optimize traffic flow. That is the adaptive. Nowadays, every sensor is going to be used, adaptive control system. Predictive modeling. Uh, Professor Dr. Nagendra Nair sir already talked about predictive modeling. So what is the predictive modeling actually? So predictive modeling is going to be talk about IoT data forecast traffic congestion, right? So you can predict the traffic, you can adopt the path. That is the shortest path to your destination. So accordingly, the IoT is going to be help you how which path is the best for you and which path is the shortest for you. You can adopt that particular path. IoT data forecast the traffic congestion for proactive measures actually. Okay. So these are the basically a smart traffic management. So we IoT is also going to be play all these things in the smart traffic management. Now next one is IoT in public transportations. So nowadays we are going to be also use these apps, real-time tracking. Passengers track their buses and trains via mobile apps. The IoT is also going to be play a very important role in that particular. What are the mobile apps? What are the buses apps are available? Do you know very well, right? Predictive, smart ticketing. The peoples are going to be use their smart app. With the smart app, they are going to be book their air ticket. They are going to be book their uh, railway tickets, bus tickets, right? So there are so many apps. There are so many websites are available through which they are going to be book their tickets. And IoT is playing a very important role in that particular things. Algorithm, AI algorithm, artificial intelligence algorithm is also going to be playing that particular way. Optimized routes, you can find out the shortest path. You can optimize your routes based on the demand and traffic. So with the help of all these things, we can use the IoT in the public transportation. You can predict the maintenance also. So sensor monitor vehicle conditions. The sensor will tell you your vehicle is now going to be outdated in that particular condition if you are not going to be go for proper maintenance. So sensor monitors the vehicle condition and to prevent breakdowns. So these things are going to be very helpful in our daily life. So that's why we can say that IoT is playing a very important role to become our life a very smart actually. So how IoT is working in the logistics. So in the if you are going to be talk about the improved inventory, track inventory levels to reduce the waste, right? Optimize route planning, use data to optimize delivery routes, which one is the shortest path and which one is the best delivery routes, we can go for it to cover the most of the cities, right? IoT is also going to be playing that particular. Predictive maintenance, monitor vehicle conditions to prevent the breakdowns, right? Real-time tracking, track the locations and the conditions of the shipments for the visibility. So in that situation, we can say that IoT application in the logistics is also going to be playing a very important role. So this one is basically benefits of IoT in smart transportation. So first one is the benefit. If you are going to be say improved transportation system, which one is the improved transportation system? So we can say that with the help of smart ticketing, we are going to be providing the digital solution for the seamless and convenient ticketing. So IoT is playing a very important. IoT is playing a very important role in the smart ticketing system. Connected vehicles, technologies that enables communications between the vehicles, that is also comes into the intelligent traffic management. IoT plays systems that optimize traffic flow and reduce the congestions. Optimized logistic, efficient planning and execution of the transportation is also going to be applied in the optimized logistic. Predictive maintenance, use data to anticipate and prevent maintenance issues, right? So benefits, these are the benefits of the IoT nowadays, right? So that's why we can say that IoT is playing a very important. What are the challenges? Because we are going to be talk about the benefits applications of the IoT in our social life. I have given the so many example in the logistic, in the railway sectors, in the uh, shipping, right, in the traffic. So what are the challenges we are going to be faced in the IoT transportation? So data security, this is the first challenge, because data is not going to be secure on the cloud. Anybody can access the data. So ensuring the protection of the sensitive data from the cyber threats. So this one is the biggest challenge, right? Data security is the prime challenge in the IoT transportation. You are going to be share all the private information while booking your tickets, right? Write your name, your number, mobile number, your account details, each and everything. So that is not safe, right? So data security is also going to be biggest challenge when we are going to be book our tickets, right? So the all data is going to be stored on the data center of over the clouds. Scalability is also because it is going to be handling massive amount of data, massive volume of the data from the connected systems. Regulations, establishing clear standards for IoT in the transportation, that is the regulations basically. Interoperability, ensuring seamless communications between the devices. And the cost, managing significant initial investment in the infrastructure. So cost and data security is two prime factors in the IoT transportation, right? If you are going to be apply all these things in the smart transportation, so cost is going to be increased, data security is also going to be increased, right? And rest of the things are in the minimal amounts. Keep in mind. So these are the unwilling IoT impacts in the transportations, and I'm going to be talk about the conclusion of that particular thing. So sustainability, because IoT promote the sustainable transportations with eco-friendly solutions, enhanced safety. IoT is going to be improve the transportation safety through real-time data analysis, increased efficiency. IoT optimizes transportation efficiency with connected devices. So all these things are related with the IoT and the sensor network with the smart transportation system. If you have any questions, so most welcome. I'm here to give your answer. Please.
Please raise your hand so that I will give the access of camera and you
Yes.
can ask your queries and questions to sir.
So wonderful presentation, Dr. Mithilesh ji. Can you
Yes.
stop the sharing
Thank
of
you.
the slide so that photo will come? Yeah, good.
Okay.
So thank you very much for the wonderful presentation. You have talked a lot about, application of IoTs. Okay, what about the current trends of application of IoTs in the railway industries? IoT in transforming the transportation system. That is the how we can use the IoT, in future for safe and sustainable mobility and a smart traffic management and many more. So wonderful presentation, Professor Dr. Mithilesh ji. Uh, we are hoping that your presentation that is much more technological based, that is the need of the a smart thing, exclusively in the smart cities, right? So technological advancement is nowadays essential needs in the 21st century. We are the technocrats and professionals of the 21st century, right? And you have talked about the Tejas and high speed train type of thing, right? Bande Bharat. So all are very equipped with the technological advancement. So thank you very much. Now session is open for question answer session, and I am requesting, yes, one participants are here. Yes, please, sir. Unmute, please, and talk. Hello. NAV 089.
By the time there is a question from Saroj K. Sarkar,
Yeah.
how AI algorithm mechanism will work out. There is one question from Dr. Saroj K. Sarkar. Could you define, please, how AI algorithm mechanism will work out?
Okay. So AI algorithm, there are so many algorithm. Actually, algorithm, first you have to understand the concept of algorithm.
Right.
Algorithm is a technique which is going to be applied to execute a task, right? With the help of some programming languages, right?
Okay.
So that is the algorithm. That is the algorithm. That is a step-by-step process. First, we have to be identifying the problem. We are going to be creating the algorithm to solve that particular problem, right? With the help of some machine Python programming languages. We are going to be use some C, C++, or any other languages to create that particular algorithm, right? There are so many AI algorithm, artificial intelligence algorithm. So artificial intelligence algorithm is a large set where machine learning and deep learning algorithm is going to be exist. And these algorithm is going to be talk about on the data. The data could be your image based, the data could be your numeric data could be your video based. So we are going to be capturing the data from the sensor. If we are going to be capture the data from the camera, right, because image is also one of the data, so we are going to be apply deep learning algorithm to process that particular images.
Right.
3 GB, 4 GB images we are going to be processed at a time, and we are going to be find the solutions according to that particular image. In these images, what we are discovering? We are discovering the trends and patterns. We are discovering the trends and pattern to find the solution for the same, right? And on the basis of that particular trends and pattern, we are going to be give the predictions, right? So this is the way we are going to be apply the machine learning algorithm. It depends on your data. What kind of data you have, the machine learning and deep learning algorithm is going to be applied. We are collecting the data from the sensor. We are going to be process the data from the algorithms, and we are going to be generate the insights, generate the solutions over the cloud, send to the cloud, and send to your mobile devices, from where you are going to be access the solution. Nowadays, the people is going to be using the mobile app website for finding the solution for that particular problem, right?
Right.
So this is the way.
Sir,
Very good.
hello.
Yeah, Dr. Sarkar is here.
Yes, sir.
Dr.
I got my
Sarkar,
answer
yes,
from
please.
you. Thank you. But see, about you, you said that the mechanism that will be stored in the cloud. So how much it will be beneficial for the common people?
Sir, very good
Uh,
question, sir. Very good question you have asked. In the my PPT, in the presentation, I have already talked about there are three types of cloud: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. There are three types of cloud. Google is also one of the clouds, sir.
Okay, sir.
Google is also one of the cloud. You are going to be store the data over the Google, and every day in our daily life, whenever you are facing any challenge, what you are
Yeah.
doing? You are going to be search from the Google.
Thank you,
What
sir.
is the Google? Google is the public cloud. So
Yes, sir.
you can access the data from the public cloud, right, sir?
public cloud.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Right.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Umesh Kumar to asking. Umesh ji, can you directly interact with the speaker?
So please raise your hand so that I make you panelist and you ask your
Umesh
question
Kumar ji.
directly. You ask your question directly. He
Can you raise-
mentioned a question over there. What is
Yeah,
use
yeah.
of?
Hello,
Hi.
hello, sir.
Yes,
Am I
yes,
Yes,
audible,
yes.
sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
you are
yes.
audible.
Well,
Umesh ji, go
I'll
ahead.
give
yes,
you
sir.
access. I'll give you access on your camera.
Uh, I think, sir, I can't open my camera right now.
No,
So
I give
Okay,
you access.
we'll go
I
ahead. Go
promote you
ahead.
to panelist. You can. I
stay
promote
as
you
a
to
attendee.
panelist.
Okay.
Yes.
So my
You
question is,
decline.
what is the
You
use of
decline.
IoT in making our pedestrian walkable and accessible?
Mr. Just a minute. Mr. Ramesh, you decline the permission. I again give you permission to promote to
Sir,
panelist. Just you rejoin. Join. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, one second, one second.
Yes. Now you join because earlier you declined. On your
Okay.
camera and ask the question.
yes, go ahead, Umeshji. Yes,
Yes,
Dr.
Mr. Umesh.
Umesh.
He rejoined by as a panelist. Now he will open the camera on the camera and share with you. The question, what is use of
Yeah.
IoT in making? Yes.
Meanwhile, requesting all my fellow participants, fellow professionals, please directly interact with the speaker if you want. Yes, Umeshji.
Umeshji, visible. You are
Yeah.
visible.
Yes, yes. Am I
Yes.
am I am I audible, sir? Okay.
Yes,
Yes, yes,
yes.
Sir,
yeah,
my
you are
question
audible
is
now.
actually what is the use of IoT? What is the use of IoT in case of making our differently able, like our pedestrian walkable and accessible, and
Mhm.
considering the inclusion of the person with disabilities? Okay, because
Very good
that
question.
we are
Very good
talking
question.
about.
Yes,
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 yes.
yes, yes. Actually, we can place in the smart cities. If you are going to be talk about the smart cities, so we can place the sensor which is going to be generating some alarm when any disabled people is going to be cross that particular pedestrian, right? So
Yes,
Hmm.
yes,
when he or she that particular person is going to be crossing that particular pedestrian, the car is going to be
Yes,
hit that particular person, right? Maybe car is going to be, a
yes,
bus is going to be hit that particular person. So if the
yes,
alarm is going to be generated at the roadside, alarm is going to be generating, and that alarm is going to be listened by the disabled people, that will be the very effective. So we can
yes,
put
sir.
the
okay,
sensor which is going to be generate alarm, right?
Okay.
So I that particular sensor, alarm sensor, is going to be comes into the IoT. Nowadays, very small price,
Yes,
very low price, the alarm sensor is available, right? So we can place at the
yes, sir.
at the roadside, at the both roadside corner, while we are going to be
Yes,
constructing the pedestrian, right? That's it.
okay. That's good.
yes.
Harish
Thank you,
sir,
sir. Thank you.
one
One.
Thank you.
participant, fellow participant has raised Saritha Reddy.
Yes.
Saritha Reddy
Madam.
raised hand.
Yes. Sarita Reddy,
Please
please.
Good
give
Yes,
the
evening,
ma'am.
rights
sir.
to ma'am.
Yes, good
Yeah,
evening,
just
ma'am.
wait,
Good
ma'am,
evening.
just wait. Yeah, please give the rights, sir. Yes, yes,
She
ma'am.
on
Go
the
ahead.
camera. She already on the camera.
Yes. Hmm.
So
Yes,
good
speak,
evening,
Sarita,
sir.
ma'am. Speak.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm talking from Telangana, Hyderabad, sir.
Oh,
So my
very good.
being an academician, my question is like how we can integrate this IoT aspects into the curriculum because being a computer science teacher, I
Oh,
am.
great. Oh, great.
So
Wow,
how we
great.
can integrate IoT with our curriculum? How we can do it integrate with this students?
Good
Okay, okay,
question.
ma'am.
Good question,
Uh,
Sarita Reddy, ma'am.
very good question. Very nice question. This is a very good question, ma'am. You have asked, ma'am. Actually, first I have one more question I will ask to you. Ki, at what level you are at? To whom? What the stuff of the student? To whom you are going to be design this particular
So I
graduate or
planning to
master?
design for engineering graduates, undergrads.
Engineering
BTech,
grad.
sir, BTech.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
Hmm.
BTech computer science. Okay. So, ma'am, actually, we can also design with the IoT and data science, right? In the data science, the AI, machine learning, these kind of algorithm is going to be enabled, and we can plan this kind of syllabus, right? And in the data science, we are going to be give such kind of gamification task to the students. They are going to be gain their experience of learning. We are going to be provide some societal problem, right, on the basis of that data science subject, on the basis of IoT, internet of things, right? because the computer science students have aware about uh, hardware as well as software both.
Yes.
SIH Smart India Hackathon is nowadays a very good platform for learning point of view.
Yeah. Even my
Right?
students
When
are
the
participating, sir.
very good, ma'am.
Okay, great.
So very good, ma'am. Actually, SIH is going to be talk about the societal problem. Why
Okay.
this platform is going to be brought in India? Because India is not going to be depend on other countries. India is not going to be depend on other countries for small solutions, for small problems, right? So
Yes.
they are going to be solve our problem with young brigades, those who have a young blood actually. If
Yes,
you are
sir.
going to be
Yes.
talk, if you are going to be talk about your kids now, so kids are going to be giving a very brilliant idea, brilliant solution for that particular problem. Ki mama, papa, you can adopt this particular solution, right? With the help of some technology, you can go for that particular solution, right? So these things we are going to be these to our students, to our kids also, about the IoT, about the uh, about the AI, about the machine learning, deep learning, about the data science. These are the emerging field nowadays.
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to be talk about the I'm not going to be talk about the computer science, because you are from academic background, so you better understand. Nowadays the admission, if you are going to be talk about the admission, so electronics and electrical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, the admissions are very less nowadays.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So what they have done, they are going to be transform their curricula. They are
Right.
including automation. They are going to be include automation. How the automation comes? When they are going to be integrate with the IoT, when they are going to be integrate with the AI, then automation is going to become,
Absolutely right.
right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
these IoT AI machine learning is providing some smartness. If you are going to in the starting of my lecture, I have already talked about, if you are going to be enabled IoT AI with some devices, device is going to be smart, the building is going to
Yes.
be smart, the things is going to be automated.
Yes.
So nowadays we are going to be introduce one of the curricula in IoT as one of the major subject. We can identify some capstone project. We have to be assigned those capstone project to our students. We have to be given some case study to our students, right? We have to be give some uh, Kaggle competition to our students. So the students is going to be participate in that particular event. The students is going to be participate in SIS Smart India Hackathon, because environment is also going to be play a very important role in learning. That is known as environmental learning.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. I'm a
Good,
proud
sir.
parent
Good,
of
good.
LPU also, sir. My daughter is a student of architecture from LPU.
Okay.
Oh,
What is
great,
the name?
great.
Preetika Reddy. She's in
Oh
2-1.
yeah, Pritika Reddy. Two sister, one cousin, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One of my cousin's daughter.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. Yes, yes. She's in second year.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I have
Thank you so
taught
much,
in
sir.
first.
Great, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Professor Mithilesh Dubey ji. You have rightly said that nowadays the era of AI and MLM. So I think one more participants, Manvi Tyagi. She want to also say something. Manvi Tyagi, NAV 050. Any more questions, sir?
Nagendra sir,
Last call. Yes,
Nagendra sir,
sir, sir. Tell me, sir. Dr. S.K.
sir,
Sarkar, sir.
when we are living in the age of computer and IoT, AI, ChatGPT, but
Hmm.
what is the negative impact? My previous university from where you are broadcasting, their knowledge I
Yes,
had, and here also in Dehradun same. When student well
yes.
aware about the things, how bad way they will utilize, what kind of protection we are having.
Yes,
Sir.
Professor
Very good
Dr.
question,
Mithilesh
sir.
Dubey ji.
Very- Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good question, sir.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
very good question you have asked, sir. If you know about the era when the computer came, the same question was arises,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, 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 sir.
What happened at that time? ये कंप्यूटर आया है लोगों की जॉब खा जाएगा. This kind of
Yes, sir.
question was arises at that time.
Yeah.
Is it happen, sir? Is it happen?
No. No.
Is it not happen? So similarly, AI and machine learning is going to be providing the job opportunity more. They are going to be trained you actually. You have to be think like that,
Yes, sir.
and you can create your job opportunity because if you are belong from the academia fraternity, so academia the professors are the creators.
Yes, sir.
They are going to be creating the opportunity for the society.
Yes,
They
sir.
are going to be
Right.
creating. They are going to be creating the facility for the society.
Yes, sir.
So don't worry, sir. There is yes, we are studying every day. This robot will come and they are going to be harm the human beings. Sir, we have created the robots.
Yes, sir.
Robot is not creating to us actually. So in somewhere in our mind, how to diffuse the robot, how to diffuse the process of the robot actually,
Yes,
right,
sir.
sir?
Absolutely right. Absolutely
Lot.
right. Hmm.
Don't worry, and it will be good for the future.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, plus minus situation is everywhere. If you are doing
Yeah, yeah,
something good, so
yeah.
plus and minus. But think about that. Plus will form with the help of two negative combination, right? So this is the
One
thing.
more thing, sir. One more thing I
Yes,
will,
sir.
Yes.
Dr. Nagendra, sir.
Ji.
Sorry to interrupt you. One more
Yes.
thing,
Yes.
sir.
Please, sir.
Sir, what's surname? I don't know. What's surname? What's your name?
Dr. Harish
What is
Mittu,
your
sir.
name, sir?
No, no,
Dr. SK
Sarkar,
Sarkar.
Dr.
Saroj
Saroj Kumar
Sarkar.
Sarkar, iske Sarkar. I was in Lovely for 10
Sarkar, sir.
years.
Ha ha
Okay,
ha.
okay, great, sir, great.
Uh,
Sarkar, sir, one thing
Ji,
more.
sir.
कि when you are going to book your ticket in the railway
Yeah,
station,
yeah.
how much time you are going to be standing in the queue for booking a single ticket?
Yes.
Because nowadays we don't want to take that kind of. So now, because we are having
What happened
great
nowadays?
facility,
What happened nowadays, sir? What happened nowadays?
we have
Yes.
got lot. We are getting a lot of facility at from home.
At from home. When you are going to be pay your bill, electricity bill, how much standing you are in the queue?
Yeah, that time lot of
Remember those days?
Even if
yes.
gas booking is also very challengeable thing, Ji.
Earlier days, earlier days.
Indian gas,
Yeah, yeah.
cooking
That's
gas,
true.
that
That's
is
true.
very challengeable.
Right, sir?
But
Yes.
nowadays,
Right,
just
sir?
give one missed
And
call.
what about the what about your train location? How you are going to be get the train location?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, while we are traveling, we
When
are
you are
getting where our train is existing, how far it has to,
yes,
it will take to reach to the destination.
sir. One more thing. I'm going to be give you one of the advantage of this train alarming system.
Yeah,
Once you are going to be ride on the train, once you are going to be ride on the train, na,
yeah.
right? You have to set alarm. What is your destination? Where you have to get down from the train? At
Okay.
the
okay,
same time, the alarm is going to be alarming you, and there you are going to be wake up at that particular point of time. What is this? Nobody is going to be disturb you. You are going to be
Acha.
keep and
So that
silently
advantage is going
sleeping.
to come through AI.
Yes, that is, sir. How
Okay.
GPS is going to be
Thanks.
working, na?
Thank you, sir. Thanks
GPS.
a lot.
GPS is going to be
okay.
working in that
So
particular way.
absolutely
Yes.
right, sir. Absolutely right. So
Yes.
now I am inviting Professor Dr. Harish Mittu Sahab to conclude the session.
Anybody
Thank you.
else? Those who are going to be ask any question, please. I'm open for all.
Yeah, last call for all fellow participants, professionals, if any question. Okay. So Harish, can we take the photograph
Yes,
or
yes.
that one?
Rahul sir, take care for that.
Harish sir, please make on my camera.
Sir, your camera is on. Again, I will check. Lenovo. Yes, you are
Yeah,
already
Mithilesh
sir
sir, there
access.
are a number of participant writing. Thank you, sir. Very informative session.
Lenovo.
Right.
You are
Thank you,
writing
sir.
Lenovo. Okay, okay,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Means our fellow participant wants to close the session now. Right.
Yes. Now camera access
So
is there with you.
yeah,
Those who have the camera access, please on their camera so that Rahul sir
yeah,
will take the
yes.
group photograph with the
Final
Professor
photograph session for today's
Mitesh.
session.
Yeah.
Last photograph session for
Yes, sir.
today's session.
I came into the camera.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Now
Good
our
to see you.
handsome Professor Dr. S.K. Sarkar is visible.
Yes, good
Hello,
to see you
Dada.
all.
Hello.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Uh, Thank you, Narendra sir, and it's very insightful session, the first as well as the second session. In the first session, sir discuss about that different aspects of the smart cities, and in this session, Professor Dr. Mithilesh Dubey, he shared his experience and practical as well as theoretical both as well as aspects, that how integration of technology is essential in today's era and how it makes our life very easy. Just recently, we shared the examples of you have to locate the train. Earlier, if I shared mine experience, I came from Amritsar to LPU. Then I have make a call to one another. Okay, train is on time or not?
Yes,
To
sir.
the
Yes.
platform, to the railway station. But now that is on your tip. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
just
And
track the number. And sir, very significantly and very effectively shared each and everything and handle the queries of the participants whosoever asked. And thank you very much, sir. Dr. Mithley, sir. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thanks to
Thank you.
all participants also that they make the session interesting and effective by asking their queries and doubts and sharing their point of view also. Thank you very much. Thank you to all, Nagendra sir. Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Shubhratri.
you so
Good
much.
night to all of you. And see you tomorrow
Thank you.
sharply at 6 p.m. with
Yes.
other two speakers. Architect Sanjay Goyal, sir, first architect in India appointed as a smart city director. And second one is Dr. Manpreet Singh Saini, HOD, School of Planning. And he is very expert planner. So bye. See you tomorrow, 6 p.m. Good night.
Bye,
Yes.
bye, bye.
I'll
Good night.
Good
Good
night.
I'll
Good
night.
night.
share 5 questions.
Namaskar.
Those who are interested to attempt those 5 questions, I'll share now. Okay. That is on
Gently, sir.
streetscape and nature of Chandigarh. Those who are
Okay.
interested, they
Okay.
can.
So I am praising the efforts of our co-coordinator, Professor Dr. Harish Mittu, sir. He is always tried to practice the particular question session, answer session, so that our participants will pass this particular, test and got the certificate with outstanding amount of
Uh,
marks, outstanding performance in the test.
Rahul sir,
Yes, sir,
it's not
please.
Rahul sir, it's not active. Please check Rahul sir.
So no problem, Harish sir. He will try to show tomorrow.
Okay, fine.
Okay, but people are Udayan,
If uh, if Rahul
all
sir make it
panelists
active, then it's
not
definitely.
visible. Rahul ji, can you look the issue? Harish sir,
Yes,
my
sir.
request is, can we practice tomorrow? Reason
Okay,
is
okay,
that
fine.
now
Fine,
we
sir.
have less than 100
Fine,
participants, so I don't
fine.
want other will miss the session.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good
Thank you.
night, Shubhratri. Once again, see you tomorrow at 6 p.m.